Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you all I bought so many bunch of dhania because you see this dhania only goes cheap now. By October, November, December it'll go up very expensive guys. So I bought it enough. I'm cleaning it. I'm cutting it like this. You can see. I'll wash it and dry and then I will freeze it, my dhania. Whenever I'm cooking guys, I take it out and cook. It's very dhania still stays fresh. So in winter, dhania is very cheap, guys. In summer, it's 30 rand, such a small bunch. And so now we got it very cheap, guys. That's how, see, you can make pickle, make green chutney if you want, or you can wash it like this. I'll wash it all mines and dry and put in a seal container and keep it in my deep freezer. Guys, you can see this dhania is very lovely, guys, and the bunches are nice and big. You can see it's big bunches, so you can clean and keep it. You don't have to go buy, but you clean, wash it up nice, dry it up and put in a container, seal container, and freeze it. It lasts very long, guys. Very nice to have dhania in every curry, especially in making chutney, mutton curry, dal. You can use your dhania. So thank you guys so much. Enjoy it, share it.